Artificial intelligence is a field of science that has explored computer capability to think more like humans, to include language understanding, problem-solving, pattern recognition, and decision-making. The first AI model was Alan Turing's 1950 Turing test, which was designed to see if machines could demonstrate human-like intelligence. Over the next 50 years, AI models were developed to perform specific tasks, like the Eliza Therapist chatbot program in the 1960s and IBM's Deep Blue program that beat the standing world chess champion in 1997. Once our world became more connected by the internet in the 2000s, AI did too. Computer scientists turned their AI efforts toward using machine learning to find patterns in large datasets, also known as big data. This new capability enabled connected systems to predict what users wanted next using algorithms, including Spotify playlist recommendations based on listening history, Amazon suggestions based on purchasing history, and autofill and autocorrect word processing to predict what we meant or wanted to say based on the context clues. Over the last 25 years, AI has been quietly integrated into many of our everyday apps and tools, as pictured here. Artificial intelligence emerged with new functionality in early 2022 with the public launch of ChatGPT. Generative AI, often called Gen AI, is a subset of AI that allows users to prompt it to provide information pulled from the open web and to produce creative works such as writing, art, and music. Many people have strong feelings about generative AI. Individuals may love it, hate it, or have mixed feelings that Gen AI is appropriate for some tasks but not others. Industries from humanities to healthcare are actively exploring how Gen AI will affect their workflows, their patients and customers, and their bottom lines. Higher education has a unique relationship to AI and Gen AI. Your AI experience at Samford will vary from course to course. Some courses you take will explore the way professionals are using AI, and some courses will even teach students how to develop AI tools. Other courses will be designed to expand your knowledge through experiences that AI can't replicate, like participating in hands-on lab activities, writing about your personal thoughts and experiences, and reading and discussing classical and biblical passages in seminar courses. Many Samford students have completed the Samford Library Information Literacy AI badge, which asks them to reflect on AI as it relates to their discipline and to their faith. The next few slides share how your peers responded to these questions. 55 to 60% of respondents saw AI as a helpful tool for learning, brainstorming, organizing thoughts, and improving productivity. Themes included: AI helps me break down lessons. It's like a tutor, helps with study guides and flashcards. They used AI for summarizing chapters, generating ideas for papers, checking grammar and spelling, creating study aids. 40 to 45% of respondents expressed ethical concerns about AI misuse and academic integrity. Themes included: AI can be abused. It makes plagiarism easier. Students won't learn if they let AI do everything. Common risks highlighted were loss of critical thinking skills, academic dishonesty, overdependence leading to skill erosion. 30% had mixed feelings, pointing out ways that AI can be both helpful and harmful. Themes included: AI should be a supplement, not a substitute, and AI should be used wisely. Respondents encouraged a cautious stance, stating that AI is useful when used responsibly but dangerous if misused. And 15 to 20% expressed fear and skepticism. Themes included: AI scares me. It will change the future of humanity. Concerns centered on anxiety about AI's future potential for job displacement and privacy violations. All totaled, Samford campus respondents came in at a 60 to 40 split on the issue, with 60% sharing positive or supportive AI views and 40% expressing negative or cautious views. Your professors will make it clear if AI-generated content is appropriate on a given assignment. When specific mention of AI is lacking, assume your professors only want you to use your own words, ideas, and skills. The final few slides share good things to remember when considering AI use for assignments or for personal information needs. It can be ethically complicated to incorporate AI-generated content into academic projects. Pitfalls can range from plagiarism penalties if your own work is expected, to difficulty citing your source if you use content generated by a resource such as ChatGPT. And yes, these resources need to be cited if your professor allows you to use them. Your professors will likely be able to tell if you use AI-generated content. Professors are aware of the writing abilities of students in general and of their individual students. Additionally, many of the assessment tools we use at Samford have AI screening capabilities that will alert professors to possible AI content integration. AI generators pull from unreliable web sources, and the summaries are often filled with errors. Many AI generators are first and foremost language models. As such, the goal is to generate content that sounds good. Whether or not is actually true, AI generators have been known to create fictitious article citations called hallucinations, combine facts with fallacies to create factually inaccurate summaries, and even create lies about individuals. AI-generated content is not neutral. It contains the bias of its creators and the sources included. AI programs are developed by people, and people are prone to bias. Implicit bias can occur unintentionally. Explicit bias can be included intentionally. Still have questions about using AI? Reach out to the reference librarians. Scan the QR code on this page to learn how to get in touch, and always feel free to drop by the Ask Us desk on the second floor of the library. Hope to see you soon.